Tired of manually transferring data from your WordPress website to your Zoho CRM, wasting precious time and resources? In this video, we'll show you how to effortlessly connect Formidable Forms in WordPress to Zoho CRM, automating lead capture and boosting your business. First, ensure you have the Formidable Forms plugin installed and activated in your WordPress dashboard. If not, head over to the plugins section, search for Formidable Forms, and install it. Next, create or edit your desired form in Formidable Forms, ensuring the fields match the corresponding fields in your Zoho CRM lead or contact module. For example, make sure you have fields for first name, last name, email, and phone number. Now, go to Formidable, then Settings, and find the Zoho CRM Integration option. You may need to install the Zoho CRM add-in if you haven't already, which can be found in the add-ins section of Formidable Forms. Click on the Zoho CRM option and authorize the connection between Formidable Forms and your Zoho CRM account. This will usually involve logging into your Zoho CRM account and granting the necessary permissions. Once authorized, you'll need to map your Formidable Forms fields to the corresponding fields in your Zoho CRM. For example, map the first name field in your form to the first name field in Zoho CRM. This tells Formidable Forms where to send the data. Finally, test your integration by submitting a test entry through your connected form on your website. Then, check your Zoho CRM to ensure the data is being correctly populated in the designated fields, and that's it. You've successfully integrated Formidable Forms with Zoho CRM. Automate your data, increase conversions, and streamline your business with this powerful integration.